at this, guys. I just found a new tool that can generate fully finished finance videos in just a single click. Yes, there's a free AI tool from Google that almost nobody in the content space is talking about right now. In fact, it's an automation workflow I recently figured out, and it is literally a game changer. This one can generate studio quality graphics in bulk. No templates, no stock footage, no editing experience required. And the results are honestly shocking. A few months ago, I shared this method with you guys, and a lot of you loved this workflow, but unfortunately, this one isn't working right now. So I went on to search some new ways to create finance videos in bulk, and that's exactly when I found this goldmine. I recorded the whole thing so you can see it for yourself. So today, I am going to expose to you my entire system from start to finish. The exact tools, the exact prompts, the exact workflow, everything. Let's get into it. Before we start, let me clear you one thing. This is a step-by-step workflow, and you need to set it up correctly. If you skip one step, you won't get exact results. So watch each step closely to make sure everything works as intended. Let's now begin. This automation workflow requires two tools. Number one is Google Flow, and number two is VO Automation. These are the only tools you need for today's workflow. Between these two, we need a free editor, CapCut. You have everything you need. No subscriptions, no paid tiers, no trials that expire in 3 days. This is a fully free pipeline. Let's now have a look at how it works. Come to Google and search for VEO3 Automation extension. This is the one you need. This is a completely free extension that helps you automate your entire video creation process in one click. It removes your entire hassle of manually adding prompts one by one and generating the scenes. This extension turns Google Flow into an automatic content factory, making it easier for you to bulk generate videos. There are many extensions for automating Google Flow. You can install any. I am using this one. This one has fewer users as compared to others, so it makes my workflow smooth. Whichever extension you install, the process will remain the same. If you want to use mine, simply ask me in the comments, and I will share this exact extension with you. Now, first of all, install it. This is the interface you see once it is successfully installed in your Chrome. Now here you can see what it says. It's 100% free always. And when I tested this extension, it was actually free and unlimited. I was able to generate 60 to 70 visuals at once. No trials, no limits at all. To use this, simply click on Get Started. You see it says Open Google Flow. This extension works along with the official Google Flow app. Click on Open Flow so we can run our automation smoothly. Once you're inside, you'll land on this screen. This is the main dashboard where all the automation occurs. This is exactly where Flow becomes a machine. But first, we need to set this up. On the right sidebar, you will see all the customization options we are getting here. First of all, we have mode. We are getting 6 modes here. Text to video, frame to video, ingredients to video, text to image, image to image, and agents. So you can automate all features of official Flow here. Second, we have run settings. This means we can control the timings of our bulk creation mode. Third, we have prompts, and this is the main section we will be using most of the time. This is where you will add all of your prompts in bulk to create the scenes. The fourth option we have here is output setting, meaning we can choose the aspect ratio and image generation setting as well. Like the model and the number of images per prompt it should generate. These are the key features you will have to consider before generating your visuals. Let's now practically test it and see how we can generate these types of finance videos in bulk. Finance content is one of the most profitable niches on YouTube, and it has been for years. And advertisers are willing to pay $5 to $30 per 1,000 views just to stay on top. Here's what most people don't realize. Some of the biggest finance channels on the platform are completely faceless. No person on camera, just clean visuals, a solid voiceover, and strong information. Channels doing this style are pulling hundreds of thousands of views per video. Some are crossing into the millions regularly. And when you combine that view count with finance level CPMs, the revenue gets serious fast. Now everything starts with a script. So open any AI chatbot like Claude or ChatGPT. This is your mastermind, your AI brain for creating the script and generating the visuals. So we need to train it. Instead of copy-pasting other people's prompts, design your own. This is a key element that will add uniqueness and originality to your AI content. So open your AI chatbot like ChatGPT and take a screenshot of your favorite channel in your niche. Now add it in ChatGPT and ask it to give you a master prompt to start a channel like that. To make your prompt more compelling, you can add 3 sample scripts from your competitor. Open any popular video of this channel, scroll all the way down, and collect the transcript. Add it to ChatGPT. Likewise, add 2 more scripts so the AI can easily grab the success formula behind the successful script. Hit Generate. Now it will give you master prompts for scripts. This is the type we need to generate the best script using AI. The hook, the title, the format, everything will be in accordance with our finance audience. So copy the prompt, add your next video topic, and hit Generate. Now the specialized brain you have created, your finance, will serve you an engaging script. You can see its full-length, detailed script for your finance video. Scripting is done. Now comes the magical part where we will generate bulk images for this script line by line in just a single click. I am very excited to show you this part, as it cuts down 90% of your manual effort, and you can easily create 10 videos per day using this exact workflow. For images, we need prompts, so come to ChatGPT and continue the same chat. Copy your script from the above chat and paste it here. Now ask it to generate image prompts for this in stickman figure style. Add a reference image if you have one. Otherwise, we have already added one in the above chat. Don't forget to ask it to generate the prompts line by line. This way it won't skip any line. Hit Generate. ChatGPT messed up here and gave us 1 image instead of prompts. The image is good, so simply continue the next chat and ask it to write the prompts and add the earlier request again. See? Now it has given us line-by-line scene prompts. Each scene has narration and a scene prompt. This is great to help you edit the video at the end. Now extract the prompts as a TXT file and open VEO automation for bulk generation. Add all prompts here in this section. Choose an aspect ratio. In this case, it's 16:9. Select download settings, model, and number of outputs. Now we are all set to execute our first bulk generation. Click on Run and see the magic. This is exactly where everything becomes automatic. You just have to sit back till this tool finishes the automated workflow we just began. This is the final result we have for our free bulk creation. You can see that it says Automation Complete. We added 13 prompts and it successfully generated 13 images. And it downloaded all visuals side by side. Before we go ahead and assemble this video, let's quickly do the voiceover for our finance explainer. For this, you have 2 options. Either use your voice or use AI text-to-speech. I would recommend you to go with AI text-to-speech, specifically 11 Labs. 11 Labs has an option called Design Voice. This one creates a completely unique AI voice for your channel. All you have to do is to go to 11 Labs. The link is given in the description below. This is the page you will land on once you are in 11 Labs. Go to Voices. Here you see a complete library of AI voices. But we don't need these. We want to design our voice from scratch. So click on Create New. You see? Here we get an option called Instant Design. Design an entirely new voice. This is the one we need. Click on it. All we have to do is to give some instructions like this so it can generate our voice. Remove this prompt and go to ChatGPT. Ask it to give you a short prompt to design a voice for finance explainer videos. These are options you get. We have 5 options. Pick any one you like and design your voice. Now you might be thinking, okay, Nick, when we are getting plenty of pre-made voices in 11 Labs, then what is the point of designing a voice? The reason is simple. Designing a custom voice gives your brand a unique identity and personality that pre-made voices can't provide. It adds value, uniqueness, and originality to your content. So, this is why I recommended this idea to you. Now, 11 Labs give you 3 samples for your custom voice design. These are options we have. Let's take a listen. This is sample 1.
All right, let's dive into something truly fascinating today. You know, many people think investing is this big, scary monster, but it really doesn't have to be.
This is sample 2.
All right, let's dive into something truly fascinating today.
Many people think investing is this big, scary monster, but it really doesn't have to be.
And this is the third sample we have.
All right, let's dive into something truly fascinating today. Many people think investing is this big, scary monster, but it really doesn't have to be.
The second and the third ones feel more natural and human, so let's pick one and save our voice. Click on Select Voice and save it. Add a name to your voice and save it. Here it says to generate the voice with the sample we just designed. Click on it and generate the voice for the script. Add the script. I have added a short script here just for this demo. Hit Generate. This is the voiceover we have.
What if I told you that in 2026, the biggest investment mistake won't be picking the wrong stock? It'll be ignoring AI completely? Think about that for a second.
Did you hear that? I think I don't need to tell you how different and unique this voice sounds as compared to pre-made templates. Download this voiceover. Let's now head towards our final step. Assemble the video and edit in CapCut. Import all your data, images, voiceover, sound effects. Add the voiceover on the timeline of this editor. Now add the visuals and trim them according to the scenes. Remember, we created line-by-line scenes, so match the scenes with that specific script. This is the step that separates AI content from the next AI slop to fully transformative value-added videos. CapCut has a library of sound effects, so add any effects wherever they are needed. Now add transitions. This is how the video looks now. Nice! Now I have added text on the images, so we don't need to add captions here.
What if I told you that in 2026, the biggest investment mistake won't be picking the wrong stock? It'll be ignoring AI completely? Think about that for a second. 20 years ago, people who ignored the internet missed one of the biggest wealth-building opportunities in history. Today, something similar is happening.
Everything is done, so upload your first video and share your results in the comments. I teach content creation, so let me know in the comments, what is the biggest issue you are facing right now with your channel? I will get back to each one of you. Also share the progress of your channels if you are already running them. If you want to share my step-by-step course on how to start a YouTube channel from scratch, drop a comment below and tell me. If you want me to share my step-by-step course on how to start a YouTube channel from scratch, drop a comment below and tell me. If you really need my course, I'll definitely make it public. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this workflow with others as well. See you in the next one.